And here we are in the wood shop at Carver Yachts. Here in this facility, we take all the raw materials. So we bring the marine grade plywood or the solid stock material, and we fabricate the interior components of the boat. We have our own milling machines where we'll take solid material and we'll make all of our own trims and all of our own moldings that get used around door frames and the different components on the cabinetry. And then we also use all the different grades of plywood, different thicknesses and density materials to make all the interior cabinets for the boats that are used. Up in the front end of the wood shop also, we build our own solid surface countertop materials so we can fabricate all the different countertops that are used in the various areas, either in the galleys or in the headrooms inside the boats. Once the parts are done here, we'll take them up into the finish shop and we'll go visit that also. In this area of the wood shop is where we do all of our solid surface countertops. We'll take the raw materials in, they'll get cut by our computer controlled cutting machine to the different shapes that are needed. We'll laminate pieces together to make edge treatments and bowl noses, and then we'll fabricate the countertops for each area of the boat per the customer's order. You can see here we use different colors, different thicknesses, different densities of material. Again, being a semi-custom manufacturer, whatever the customers like. After the parts are laminated together, they'll get rolled off, they'll get sanded, and then they'll get polished to a high gloss finish. Welcome to our spray finish area. After the components are done being cut and shaped in the wood shop, they'll move into this area. When the parts get here, we'll apply what we call a toner coat, which sets the color to the customer's order on the wood, whether it's a cherry wood or a walnut wood or an oak wood. After the toner is applied, then we'll spray on 2 coats of a sealer coat. The sealer obviously secures the color so it doesn't get additional toner applied to it, and it also obviously it seals the wood and it closes up the grain of the wood. In between each sealer coat we do sand the wood with a micro paper to get a nice smooth finish. After that's completed, then we spray on a polyurethane clear coat finish. The clear coat, after it's applied, then comes in here into our drying booth. Inside of our drying booth, we use temperature control and ultraviolet light. Basically what we're doing here is we are pre-fading the finish on the wood. Obviously wood, when it goes out in the sunshine, changes color. We do that color change here with computer controlled timing of our lights to not create any shadows in the wood finish, to basically guarantee you that that wood part, when it gets installed in your boat, is going to have the same color today as what it's going to have 5 years from now. Obviously this gives you a constant interior scheme inside of your boat for your colors, and it also allows us to help in the future if you have a damaged door or something inside your boat. We can replace that same component with the same color wood and it's going to match your interior. As our parts come out of the wood shop, every individual part has a part number assigned to it. They all go onto different storage racks located throughout the company in the areas where they're needed. Our service department, if they need wood parts to fix a boat out in the field, or if a customer damaged an older boat, we do inventory some parts for them yet also. You simply call our customer service number. They can look up the part and those guys can tell, they can look it up. Here's rack number 30. Here's their part number on shelf number 8. And you can see here we've got individual part numbers and everything, and it's all barcoded. So we have instant access to all of our inventory for all of our wood parts throughout the company, just to make your ownership experience a little bit easier after you take delivery of the boat.